Well, got all my paintings loaded up here. I was getting ready to go. There's all the bad ones, or part of the bad ones in there. Whole bunch of them over there up against the wall. And it's been a rough time here. And my truck's messed up. I gotta take the gas tank off. And I got it partly down, but it won't come down the rest of the way. There's something back there holding it in the back. And I can't tell what it is. Can't see. Too old for this stuff. I ain't got a hole in my pants back there somewhere. I feel the air. Air pulling through it. Something back in the back there's holding it. But I can't see it. Need me a bigger jack. It's cool here today. I actually need a jacket on. There's my art on the square sticker. 812 Roger 9. Oh, there's some new stuff.